What is up, everybody? Visual Timmy here, and if you have an iPad, maybe even an Apple Pencil, you can get started using my Creator XL bundle today and make really dope artwork inside Procreate. Now, the brushes don't make the art, right? You can't make a terrible artwork look amazing with brushes, but what they will do is they'll save you time, they'll help you develop your style, and they'll help you to explore your creativity inside the Procreate app. So if we come through here, you can see that there are tons of reviews. We've almost broke 1,000 reviews. We're at 991 reviews right now. And we've got reviews from all sorts of artists from all over the world who absolutely love these brushes. They swear by them. Most people say that they find their favorite 5-10 brushes and they use them daily. These packs are broken up into 9 packs, 1 pack of color palettes and 8 packs of brushes. I split them up this way so that they can save you time and get you creating artwork faster so that you're not sifting through your brushes all day, looking for the good ones, and this will help you get moving forward on your creativity and get you out of that left brain, get you into that creative flow state. I've got brushes for sketching, textures, halftones, stamps, patterns, grunge, stippling, and gradients. These packs are all broken up into separate categories so that when you need the right brush, you know where to find it. I've got over 60 premium color palettes. These color palettes were scoured from the web. I found my favorite artworks and I built color palettes out of them because I know they work. You don't have to guess. You can create artwork like this too. These are all customers from VisualTimmy.com. All of these people have purchased the Creator XL bundle and they have made just the craziest work with them. As I said before, it's got 9 kits. It's like ink pens and sketching pencils, noise and grunge brushes, pop art, halftone brushes, seamless pattern brushes, dot work stippling brushes, 111 one-tap textured overlays. You tap it once, it puts a texture over your whole artwork. You could use it with layers and blending modes and make really cool combinations. We've got 119 stamps, and those aren't just like boring stamps. A lot of them are analog marks. We got acrylic marks, paint marks, smears, that kind of stuff, splatters. And then we have Palette Vault, the color palettes I told you about, and then even a bonus pack called Quick Tools that's not available anywhere else except for in the Creator XL bundle. It's got repeaters, it's got gradients, it's got all kinds of cool things like perspective grids, and those are going to help you out, speed up your art, and help you develop your style as well. So if you're interested and want to learn more, you can click the link and you'll end up coming right to this page where you can look over the artwork, check out the brushes, and see what this whole pack has to offer. Thanks.